Millions hear it, but no one knows where it comes from. People in different countries report a constant low humming sound, mostly heard at night. The sound causes headaches, sleep problems, and stress for those who hear it. Scientists have searched for sources, factories, power lines, natural causes without a single explanation. Only a small percentage of people can hear it, and many recordings capture nothing, a sound with no source, still unexplained. Follow VEDARchive for more real-world mysteries.